everyone, it's Twila. Today I am going to unbox a succulents box. What is a succulents box? I'm glad you asked. I didn't know either. They had reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in unboxing one of their succulents boxes. So I looked on their website, and what they are is they are a subscription company out of California, and they deliver succulents. So you can just shop their website and buy succulents, or you can buy a monthly subscription. They're $5. So it's $5 per plant. This is a $20 box, and it comes like this, and this is what you get in there. I will link all of the information regarding their subscription and everything down below. You can get it from 1 succulent a month, 2 succulents, a succulent and an air plant. You can get an air plant. You can get 3 succulents, 4 succulents. They have a variety that you can buy. You can even get their beginner's kit, which comes with the soil and all of the tools. It's very cool. So you can use 5 off. I'll put all the information down below with the coupon codes and everything to get 50% off your first box, or I believe it's $5 off your first box. But there's a code Love Plants. You get 15% off your first order. So you can just order anything. So on here they have how to remove and care for your succulents plants, and they have cards on all of the plants that are in your box. They also have on their site, you go to their site and it tells you how to care for the particular plants, how to open them, how to handle them, what containers they survive best in, how to repot, and all of that. And so I ordered these little containers off of Amazon. They have the drain hole in them because you do want your succulents to drain. You don't want just regular soil. You want succulent and cactus soil so that it drains really well. So you can put pebbles in the bottom of them, but you want to make sure that there's a hole in the bottom so it drains. You don't want the water sitting in there. So enough about that. Let me unbox these plants, and we will put one of these, and I'll show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Succulents Box is also currently running a campaign to support the fight against COVID-19, and 2% of all purchases will automatically go to the CDC Foundation. You can find more information about that in my description box below. And I also wanted to share that they do have their own YouTube channel, and they share tips and tricks on how to plant and take care of your succulents. So go check out their YouTube channel as well. So here they are after I put them in their little succulents pots. Some of them say on the back whether they need full sun or not, but you go on their website and it tells you what each one of them require, full sun or shade. They don't need they stay between temperatures of, I think it's 70 to 80 degrees. I don't know. Yes, 70 to 80 degrees. It says they prefer daytime temps between 70 to 80 and nighttime temps between 50 and 55. So these are definitely your indoor plants, right? I haven't watered these yet, but I'm going to water them. It says just water the soil, not the plant. So the one that's very difficult is this red lion one, which looks very, very cool on here, but is very, very hard because I couldn't get it to stay within the soil. So I'm hoping this one does fairly well. I have the jelly bean plant, the red lion. This one is the Olivia, and this one doesn't look like a blue atoll at all. Yeah, I guess this is the blue atoll. So this would be something that would be really fun to do with your children. I ordered these pots off of Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box for the ones that I purchased. But they're really great, very easy to do. I ordered the soil off of Amazon too. So it would be a really fun thing to do with your kids at home. it's a really fun thing to actually do and make gifts out of. So the 4 plants are $20, I believe, for the month. You can even buy them as gifts and have them sent as gifts. You can even do the air plants. They have air plants on there. So seems very fun. And it was very fun for me. I was going to do this with Claire, but Claire went to the river with some friends. So it's just me. I was really hoping for one of those spiky zebra ones, but I didn't get one. But they have succulent plants for beginners. They have a sorted collection of live air plants. So they have a really a lot of cool plants in here. I'm not sure which box I got. I did not get the June box because the June box came with a zebra plant. Very fun. Thank you, Succulents Box, for sending me a box to review. I'm very excited to see how these grow over the next several weeks. And I might just have to order me another box, maybe in July, and give some as gifts, because these would make really awesome gifts, right? They don't take a lot of effort. They don't take a full sun. They can be an inside plant. Really great. Make sure you get something that drains really easily. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I did a little planting. Succulents. This is going to be fun. My house is going to be decorated with succulents all over the place now. Everyone, you have a great day. Take care. Be well. Focus on the good and the happy in your lives. And come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.